Burning Man is an annual event that takes place in the Black Rock Desert of Nevada, United States. It's known for its unique blend of art, self-expression, community, and temporary self-governance. The event typically lasts for a week, culminating in the burning of a large wooden sculpture known as the Man. Burning the Man can symbolize letting go of attachments, inhibitions, or limitations. It represents a transformative moment where participants release the old and embrace the new, allowing for personal growth and self-discovery. During Burning Man, participants create a temporary city called Black Rock City, which is built in the desert and dismantled at the end of the event. The city is organized around a set of core principles, including radical self-reliance, radical self-expression, communal efforts, and leaving no trace. Burning Man is famous for its art installations, which range from large-scale sculptures to interactive experiences and performances. Participants are encouraged to contribute their own art, music, workshops, and other forms of creative expression. The event also emphasizes communal living and participation. There are no vendors or commercial sponsorships at Burning Man, and participants are expected to bring their own food, water, and supplies. The community operates on a gift economy, where goods and services are freely exchanged without the use of money. Burning Man has inspired the creation of numerous regional events around the world, collectively known as the Burning Man Regional Network. These events embody the spirit and principles of Burning Man on a smaller scale, providing opportunities for local communities to come together and express themselves creatively.